Hey, good morning, everybody. Today is Tuesday, April 4, 7:59 a.m. Eastern Time. So let me talk about the spreadsheet. So yesterday at 2:52, was the big order? No, wasn't the big order, but was one. Yes, was the big order. Was a call strike 4,120. 2,600 premium. You guys see, the book today is really, small. So when I went to the open interest, and check also the delta is the 54. So it's easy to spike up, right? And also it's already have premium. So because when the order print was $13 and now it's 20.70, it's already spiked almost $7. So, looks like this is a buy, and the break even is 4,133. So suggests that we will backtest one of the option 2 that I place in the market wrap, right? Remember, 4,136 up to 4,140, and if we break, we can go up to 4,150. But due to the current gamma, 4,150 usually is the, how can I say, is the firewall, is the firewall, is the limit, for this rally, because how the gamma is set up. I'm not telling that you cannot break, but usually is the limit. Also, as I put in the chat group, I guess it was yesterday or in the weekend or during the weekend, I don't remember. The charm is showing that makers sold 4,200 calls, and the spread is they sold 4,200 calls and bought 4,000 calls, right? This is the spread that they are playing. So for tomorrow, I also highlighted here. Somebody bought, it's not also a big order, it's 2,900K premium, put for strike 4,100, it's 4,100, break even is 4,009. However, the delta is minus 23. We need like a very huge spike on delta, so we need to see a sell-off, we need to see a volume, to spike, to spike the deltas, and we start to print 4,009 tomorrow. So today, a lot of people see in Twitter, that jolt, could you melt down the market? I don't think jolt, is so important, and for me, it's not an event. So the flow is still supportive to go to upturn, at least for the levels that I put in the market wrap. For tomorrow, the agenda, we talk about ESM, we talk about the ADP no farm employment, we talk about the Dallas Fed PCE, if I'm not wrong. So we have a little bit more heavy agenda. Yeah, the Dallas Fed PCE at noon. So those could be much more a catalyst than today. I'm not also telling that we go up to 4,009. We have an order, but we need, sell pressure to see a spike in those deltas. The idea, to 4,000 print today is the sell-off start today. Remember, last Friday when we saw JP Morgan be squeezed, the melt up starting the day before, right? Even with lower deltas, but we saw 80% spike in deltas in 3 days. But the melt up starting the day before. So to print 4,100, we can go top today, but we need to see a downtrend start today. Otherwise, it's getting difficult, to print 4,009 tomorrow. Okay, on Thursday, I don't know what do you have on Thursday. Let me try to find out over here in the economic agenda. I put in the investing this week. You see what do we have on Thursday? Because on Thursday I saw also a buy line 59. Because that, I keep telling you guys that 4,105, 4,106 is the magical number. Okay, this one is the magical number. Just to you guys understand. And also, if you check line 44, you know, I'm not expecting market closing this week below 4,066. That's, you know, the number that I told you guys in the option one. If we could, the option one was we could go down, back test 4,035, and then you see a spike on Tuesday. Remember, bring back the market 4,070. Because this order for the line 44, almost a $1.2 million premium, you know, is telling us that the support will be 4,066. Gotcha? So, but now, since you went higher Monday and so far Tuesday, you know, we could see a downtrend starting today. Maybe, I cannot guarantee because the flow is still supportive, and start to print 4,090, but you know, we will not close below 4,070. You know, that's hope is clear. Only if, you know, this disappear, but this is the support. So the magic number is still 4,105. Okay, especially because of line 59. Let me check with what do you have on Thursday. Let's see if you have something in the economic agenda that could be a catalyst. So Thursday, April 6. I found here. We have the Fed balance sheet at 4:30 p.m. So it's after market close. Yeah, we have the continued jobless claim and initial jobless claim. Yeah, usually this is a very important, you know, economic data, you know, for markets nowadays. This usually give a direction if, you know, Fed, you do soft land, you pause, you keep, you know, raising and etc. That's, you know, all the data that, you know, the market have been trading. So yeah, so Tuesday we could see a red day, just because the economic agenda that I'm telling you guys. The flow is still supportive to go to uptrend. As we review here, especially today, we're supposed to be back testing, you know, the option levels that I told you guys. Wednesday, also, that's really important to see. You know, this is always a buy, but 4,175 looks like a buy as well. So this is always a straddle. So, you know, this dealer, not this dealer, but this player, because the order is too small, this player, you know, is playing both sides, bull and bear. You know, doesn't matter, you know, how the market, you know, react. You know, this person, you know, this player will rearrange their portfolio. You know, if markets go down, he starts to close the calls. If markets go up, he starts to close the puts. So, but it's very good, important to check, you know, this was a strategy, because especially, you know, the amount of the contracts. In my humble opinion, they bought both. Looks like they bought both. So I also flag over here was a straddle. Okay? Instead, nobody's playing nowadays, at least at the beginning of the month, you know, perna bear or perna bull. You know, they are straddle. That's, you know, safe place to be. You know, that's a really safe place to be. Do the current flow, you know, the lack of economic data, so we could go higher. You know, my target is still the same. You know, the spreadsheet always, you know, print the same levels that I told you guys before. Is really respecting the gamma. The spreadsheet is really respecting the gamma. Guys, I finished for here. Remember, magic number, magical support so far 4,105. And if I'm not wrong, the delta neutral for today is 4,125.9. I put yesterday in the group. So for today, since the market is suggesting a gap up, look for the delta neutral that I post yesterday night as a magic number, as a magic support for today. Okay, 4,125.9 if I'm not wrong. Take care, guys.